In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off auto upload of photos to OneDrive 5 minutes. If your photos keep flowing into OneDrive automatically and you'd prefer to keep them local, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to turn that off. We'll use the OneDrive app on your computer, and by the end, new photos and screenshots will stop syncing to the cloud while your existing files remain safe. Start by opening OneDrive from your desktop. Look for the small cloud icon in your taskbar near the clock on Windows or in the menu bar on a Mac. If you don't see it right away, click the arrow to show hidden icons on Windows. Click the OneDrive Cloud to open the menu. From that menu, choose Help and Settings. This opens a list of options for your OneDrive app. Next, select Settings. A settings window will appear where you can control how OneDrive syncs your files. In the settings window, go to the Sync and Backup tab. This is where OneDrive manages which folders and items are being backed up from your computer. You'll see controls for your desktop, documents, and pictures folders, along with options related to photos and screenshots. Click Manage Backup. This opens a panel that lists the folders OneDrive is protecting. To stop automatic photo uploads, toggle off the option for pictures. Turning off pictures stops OneDrive from automatically backing up the pictures folder on your computer, including typical camera roll content. Your current photos already in OneDrive won't be deleted. This only affects future backups from your device. While you're here, also turn off the Save Photos and Screenshot options. These switches control automatic uploading of photos from connected devices and saving screenshots directly to OneDrive. Turning them off ensures new photos from your computer or plugged-in devices won't be auto-sent to the cloud, and screenshots you capture will stay local. Take a moment to review your choices, then close the settings window. From now on, new photos and screenshots won't auto-upload to OneDrive. If you change your mind later, you can revisit these settings and turn the toggles back on at any time. Quick recap. Open the OneDrive Cloud icon, go to Help and Settings, select Settings, open the Sync and Backup tab, click Manage Backup, switch off pictures, and disable the Save Photos and Screenshot options. That's it. Simple, clear, and effective. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, consider checking your other OneDrive backup settings to make sure everything else matches how you like to work.